Game scene. The game will have two scenes basically, like lobby here and game scene, when where everything is where most of the gameplay happening. So to develop like game scene, I always start from data. What kind of data we need, and I like to describe them in UML diagrams. For that purposes, I use something called plant UML. Yeah, here we have plant UML. For example, we just create class and it working. Yeah, here we have some maybe test. Yeah, and here we have like our class. First of all, what kind of data we need? We need icon field with icons. I will just write it, icon field. And what else we need? We need orders, like, yeah, orders. What else we need? Like stars and energy. Stars. Energy. Yep. I will comment it just for future. So first of all, we need some kind of file or class which will describe all this data. Basically, we have like icons. Yeah, we have icons, different, and all of them in different types, and each type has value. Yeah, value and icon that spawns that icon. Like this is spawner icon. That's kind of what it spawns. Okay, what and how to do that? We will start with class like config. Yeah, config. It will have something like what it will have. It holds all data for configuration. It is main responsibility of config class, and it should be like scriptable object. I want it to be like scriptable object. Scriptable object. It. What else? Definitely we need like icon. Yeah. This config. What it should have? It definitely should have like our initial field. Icon field. Initial. No. It should be our initial field and also our starting energy. Yeah, starting energy and stars. Stars, I suppose, should be 0, but starting energy, I don't know. It's designer up to decide what kind of value we have from start. Okay, icon. To display icon, we also should have something like icon types. Different type of icon, like bottle, seal, match, broom, cakes, glass, cookies, etc. And how to do that? Best way from my perspective should be like enum icon type. Yeah. And icon will have like instance of icon type. Icon type. Yeah. Here we have icon, and we should give icon responsibility. How basically describe icon. Describe icon. All information about icon. It also should have like value. It will be like int. What I mean value by value, it mean like here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So basically icon type of envelope and value of different types. So for example, cakes, we have cake 0, better cake 1, better 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Similar with cookies, candies, etc. How to do that? Okay, we give them describe icon value, we have icon type. What else? Icon type, describe all icons, no icon types, describe. Yeah, we have it. We should have what else? It icon definitely should have position. Yeah. So it located somewhere on the field, and position it will be some kind of class, maybe struct pose, just pose. It will be some like an icon position on the field, and icon will have position. Yeah, like composition relationships. We have icon type, position, icon, but where should be our icons? I suppose better thing is to create class like icon list. It basically will be holder for icons. For example, it should be like our row of icons. First row, second, third, fourth, and until the end. Yeah. And what kind of relationships? It should be something like icon list have one of many of icon. Yeah. Yes, and config, eventually our config will have one or many icon list. Okay, what else? Definitely we should have order. yeah. Order, and how order, what kind of info which is described in order. Maybe before that I should mention, so in config we have like icon, yeah, this one icon, this second icon, we have like icon type, icon value, and based on that we could assign different sprites to these icons, and we could create some fields like from which another icon will spawn it. Yeah. Okay. Order. What we need for order? Definitely we should create some class like order. It will like describe information about order. All icons should be collected to complete this order, and the reward will be given to whom? To the user. When order completed. Yeah, completed. So okay, and it should be in config. So basically config will have one or many order. Okay, so config have order, but it's not enough. For like order, in order we should have like icon order. What I mean, what kind of icon we should collect and how many of them. Yeah, so it will be something like that. Plus icon order. What kind of icon should be collected and amount it. Basically icon order will have link to the icon. Yep. Sorry about that. Icon order have link to the icon, and order has a lot of icon orders, something like it. Yeah, and now we have this like nice diagram which show our data. Okay, what else we have? We have a room. Yeah, we have a room with pieces should be collected, like different furniture and maybe some like different stuff, I don't know, some different pieces should be collected. And how to do that? It should be in config definitely too. Okay, we'll create class room, yeah, because we have like different rooms, and for each of that room we have different pieces. Okay, describe configuration data and holds all pieces furniture, I don't know how to basically better to name it. And config will have one or many rooms. Yeah. So, and room have pieces. That's definitely should be something like class piece. Maybe it should be better word for it, but I end up only with piece. Maybe object is better, but I don't like call it object. What it do? Do it describe the describe a object in the room. So basically room will have no, I don't think it's like one of yeah, it's one of many. One room has a lot of pieces. So we ended up with this diagram. We describe our configuration data. Eventually sorry, maybe nope. Give me okay, doesn't matter. Eventually it will be much more classes here, I suppose, because it's like it always you cannot predict everything, but it will be like 70% of all data that we needed here. Okay, in the next video I will talk maybe about state, current state, what we will use, like, so it will be in next video. Okay.